Once upon a time in a city by the sea, there lived a very happy dolphin. The dolphin had everything he needed. He had a beautiful ocean to swim in, lots of yummy fish to eat. And he wasn't at all lonely, because he had a pod of friends to hang out with. The dolphin was content with his life, but there was one thing he wished for. He wished he could fly. Every day he would jump higher and stay in the air longer. But no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't fly. One day, the dolphin was feeling especially sad. He sat on a rock by the shore and sighed. A little girl who was playing nearby saw the dolphin. She came closer and asked him, "Why are you sad?" The dolphin told her about his dream to fly. Every day when the sun rose, the dolphin would leap and twirl out of the water, pretending he was flying. All the other dolphins would laugh and play with him, and the seagulls would swoop and dive around him, pretending to be his flying companions. The dolphin was happy for a while, but soon he began to feel sad. He wanted to be able to fly for real. One day, the dolphin met an old wise turtle. The dolphin told the turtle his wish, and the turtle said, "Why not? It might be hard, but anything is possible if you try hard enough." He felt lighter. He felt like he was floating. The dolphin looked down and saw that he was surrounded by a bunch of colorful seagulls. The seagulls were holding onto his fins and helping him fly. The dolphin was so happy. Finally, he was flying. The dolphin smiled and said, "Thank you." Then he went back into the water and practiced flying. The dolphin thanked the turtle for his advice and went back to the surface. Years went by and the dolphin got older. But he didn't stop believing in his dream, and he never stopped trying to fly. From that day on, the dolphin tried his best to fly. "Oh, I'm sure you can do it," the little girl said. "Believe in you." Every time the dolphin felt like giving up, he remembered the little girl's words, "I believe in you." And he kept trying. One day, the dolphin was leaping and twirling out of the water when suddenly he felt something different. And as he flew through the air, he knew that anything was possible if you just never give up on your dreams.